So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to connect your WordPress website to Google Search Console without touching your DNS settings, here's how to add Google's HTML verification tag in just a few steps. Firstly, open Google Search Console and add your website. Then choose HTML tag as the verification method. Copy the full meta tag Google provides. Then log into your WordPress dashboard, and if you're using an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO, go to it. Then Settings, then Site Connection. Find Google verification field and paste it the verification code. Then save your changes. Now go back to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will check your website for the verification tag, and once it's detected, your website will be verified. Now after the verification, you can use tools like performance, URL inspection and indexing to monitor your website and submit pages for crawling. And that's it, as simple as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.